today. My husband ordered food from Maxis Peri Peris. I have here super hot chicken wings. Here. As you can see, guys, the red thinny there, maybe that is the hot sauce they put. So 10 pieces chicken wings. And coleslaw. I miss coleslaw already, so we got one, and fries. They call it chips here, and dalgona coffee. Kain, guys. Namiss ko ang chicken wings. Join me. Oh yeah, hot. So hot, baby. Maybe 10 times, but I like it. Sarap, guys. Gusto ko ng chicken with rice, kaya.
Recycling.
Onion rings.
Not bad.
Yummy. Is there a sauce of this? No sauce?
No. I didn't realize there's any sauce. Neither they did. Neither did they.
This is my supper. 7 o'clock na dito, pero may araw pa rin. You chicken wings?
Please, ma'am.
Full?
No. The wings good.
Their fries is not crispy.
Well, they were a bit better earlier, but they got a bit stronger.
Alright.
The wings you like? Yeah. Hot enough?
Yeah.
Yeah, my impression was the same. As soon as I touched the wings, I could feel the spiciness, the hotness.
Masarap yung chips nila. Hindi ko maubos yung chicken. Yung chicken nila, okay lang. Gusto ko lang yung ano niya, anghang niya kasi okay sa akin yung anghang. Hindi masyadong kaya ko yung anghang niya. Pero yung lasa, hindi kasi ako masyado sa tomato sauce. Kaya, okay lang din naman. Itong chicken, fries, and coleslaw is, it costs 10 pounds. Ngayon lang ulit ako kumain ng chips. Since last year. I know. Kumain pala kami ng sa McDonald's before. Kumain pala kami ni Hana. Hindi ko kayang ubusin, guys. Meron pang yung may onion rings. Ito onion rings. Hindi ko maubos. Hindi ko gusto yung coleslaw nila. Ewan ko. Pero, kainin pa rin natin kasi sayang. Sabihin ni Abby, in order mo, hindi mo uumusin. Medyo malalaki yung hiwa. Ano ba nandito? Carrots lang, tsaka hindi ko gusto, guys. Hindi ko ubusin. Busog na ako, guys. Hindi ko maubos tong fries. I mean chips. Chips tawag nila. And then onion rings. Tirang 3. Chicken wings. 2.5. So, I'm gonna end my vlog now. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell para ma-notify kayo every time my new video kami na i-upload. So, thank you again for watching and we'll see you on the next video. Bye!